welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dai'Sha. I'm a mommy to a beautiful baby girl named Cherry Dawn and a beauty and makeup enthusiast. This is episode 1 of a new series that I would like to call Match Me Mommy, where I match my makeup to Cherry's outfits. So if you would like to see more of those videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel down below. And if you would like to be bombarded with more pictures of Cherry, make sure you follow my social media, which is linked in the description box. Today she's wearing green and white in honor of St. Patrick's Day, so I'm going to do a green and white makeup look. I post beauty and lifestyle videos every single Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, so if that's something that you're interested in seeing, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up and stay tuned for more of me and Cherry.